If you have a cluttered spice cabinet, you need to see what these clear magazine holders from Dollar General organization can do on a blank wall. It's the ultimate classy hack for under $15. Today I'm showing you why I am officially moving past the basic look of the Dollar Tree for this brand new rental and downsizing. We are looking for the sturdier, classier upgrades from Dollar General organizing. Today I'm revealing why I'm officially switching my organizing strategy for my friend's new home move-in and the Dollar General organizing upgrades that are a total game changer for small kitchens and laundry rooms. My friend is downsizing from a walk-in pantry to the small louver door pantry that you see, and she asked me to help her make the very most of the space in this room, as well as downsizing from this laundry with 2 shelves to a small pass-through laundry room with only 1 shelf. I organized these 2 areas for her in the past using Dollar Tree items, but this time we are looking for an upgrade. It's one of those situations where we are going to make do with what we have. I have a limited time to work before I pick up my granddaughter, and I was not able to get into the house because of an issue with the lockbox. So I saw a Dollar General very close to the new house, and we're going to pop in there and see if we can find anything that would be great for organizing for a new home. I know many of you have told me that you have Dollar Generals close to you, so I'm going to pop in. This is just a regular old Dollar General, nothing fancy, and we're going to see if we can find some good deals. My friends, I have to confess that I have overlooked the Dollar General's organizing section, and I am going to show you my impressions as it compares to Dollar Tree. First off, there are a lot of items that Dollar Tree has raised prices on that are still only $1 at Dollar General. The exact same merchandise you will find at Dollar Tree for $1.50. Now have your expectations in check and don't expect a department store experience, but I found some beautiful items for a very reasonable price. I think Dollar General realizes they are now competing with the Dollar Tree, and they're offering us some of these whimsical items as well as higher end kitchen and laundry room. I'm specifically looking for organizing tools for the pantry. Since this pantry is so much smaller, I want to make the most of the space, and she told me she really wants to get away from the door storage. So we're going to be upgrading her Dollar Tree pantry containers to these beautiful bamboo lidded acrylic containers. You know, moving is the ultimate reset, but you don't need a new house to get that feeling. My 10-minute daily reset is exactly how I and my friend keep these new organized zones from falling apart when life gets messy. Even the prettiest bins will not save you if you don't have a system. So I created this 10-minute daily reset course, and it's the exact method I use to make sure these beautiful spaces stay that way. So click on the QR code you see or in the link or the first comment. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Shannon, and this is Gift to My Life, where we talk about living an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget. Dollar Tree Sure Fresh containers are perfectly fine for pantry organization, especially if you need to buy many of them, as you see here in my pantry redo. But if you're looking to upscale those containers for a little bit more high-end look, I want to show you what I chose from Dollar General. The thing I recommend in a smaller pantry redo is to measure your shelves. Unfortunately, she had measured them for me, and I had all those measurements to take to the store with me, which made my job much easier. Since the depth of the new pantry shelves is just 12 inches, I found that these open bins were the perfect solution. I've shown you how I use Dollar Tree contact paper for lining under sinks in bathrooms and kitchens. It's a wonderful idea for those solid surfaces that won't be seen very often. But if you have wire racks or shelves like my friend does, you're going to want to purchase a roll of this easy liner shelf paper. This shelf paper is made specifically for wire racks and shelves like these. It's going to lay perfectly and give you a solid surface to work with. This is an under $15 investment that is going to make you so much less frustrated when you're working with wire shelves. I did not have access to a label printer, so I'm picking up some of these paint pens from Walmart, and I am using my own handwriting to label. I just wanted to make sure you knew that that is perfectly fine. You don't have to have some kind of fancy labeler to make your pantry look high-end. These Lazy Susan trays are going to make the small rental kitchen so much more functional. And having open bins that we can see clearly and access snacks and other commonly used items makes the pantry practical. When you're moving to a new space, or even if you just want a kitchen or laundry upgrade, I recommend that you leave a lot of open space. Now, if you pack every single shelf in a square inch, it's quickly going to get cluttered again. So leave some open areas where you can put new items as you find them. Not only is this pantry more aesthetic, but I felt like the Dollar Tree versus Dollar General organizing products are a real upgrade for my friend. What I liked most about shopping at Dollar General is that I know I can go back and find similar items. I know exactly what the price is going to be. Whereas at Dollar Tree nowadays, the price is up for grabs and I don't know exactly what I'll find. So there were so many advantages to shopping Dollar General and paying just a little bit extra for items that I know will last. And by the way, this video is not sponsored in any way. And I know that a lot of people think those of us who create Dollar Tree content get paid by Dollar Tree, and I certainly have never made a penny from Dollar Tree. So I don't really have a dog in this fight. I'm telling you my real thoughts on this topic. I've shown you in the past how I created a spice system using 2 items from the Dollar Tree. This works perfectly well for me in my small rental kitchen, but if you're looking for an upgrade and you want to use the most of that vertical wall space in your kitchen, or maybe if you would like your spices just a little closer to your cooking surface, this is another great option. Instead of spending $40 or $50 on an acrylic spice rack, we're going to create that same idea using 2 of these clear magazine or bookshelves from Dollar General. These come with sinkers and screws to mount them on the wall, but you can also use command strips for a rental-friendly option. This Lux for Less look is really accomplishing what my friend wanted and eliminating that unsightly rack on the back of her pantry door. In a smaller rental kitchen, you really want to make the most of the backs of cabinet doors for storage. This over-the-cabinet basket organizer from Walmart is less than $10, and let me tell you, it pays for itself immediately in space storage. Comment below and tell me if you have one of these and how you use it. I'm creating an easy-to-use cleaning station for my friend's kitchen sink with some of my Dollar Tree favorites. So I guess what I am helping you decide is where you want to shop for which items. I personally don't like to go to many different stores, so I want to do the shopping for you so it makes those decisions easier. Dollar Tree's plastic caddies are a great resource for these types of projects as well, and I've certainly used them all over my house. If you've been around Skip to My Life for a while, you know that I really enjoy these Dollar Tree over-the-door wire hangers. I've used them over and over again in laundry and rental redos over the years, but if you do want to get a little bit more high-end look, I suggest these Dollar General bamboo look over door racks. Used this in a recent redo of my own bathroom, and I found a lot of items at Dollar General's sister store, which is called Pop Shelf. So please comment and let me know as you're going through this video what stores are popping into your mind that I should be shopping at and giving you all the inside hacks and tips that you need. You all know that I am all about budget savings, but let's turn to the laundry room and figure out how we're going to get this space organized. In the past, I organized my friend's laundry space with these plastic bins from the Dollar Tree. And there is absolutely nothing wrong with these Dollar Tree plastic bins, but we're looking to upscale a little bit more for her next rental property. If you live in a home with a pass-through laundry space, There are specific challenges. Although she had storage on this wall, she really wasn't making the most of it. We had organized using some Dollar Tree containers, but obviously they weren't the most practical for what she needed. She was keeping some cleaning items, some laundry items, and just some items that she needed to throw in the car and go. And that is a lot for this tiny pass-through laundry space to accomplish. In addition, these hooks on the wall were making this pass-through space even more congested. So now, even though she's going to have a less wall space for storage, we're going to make the very most of it, starting with a hanging spot. Now, whenever you have a laundry area, it's a great idea to have a spot to hang up clothes. We're creating a hanging bar using a Walmart shower curtain holder. This is a rental-friendly option you can use to customize any laundry space and make it just a little bit more practical for its use. No drilling involved, and you can screw that laundry pole to make it fit the exact space. You can even use this in smaller closets to add additional hanging space. Let's go back to Walmart and see if we can find the perfect bins for these narrow wire shelves. This is another case where it's a great idea to have your measurements with you so you don't have to make a lot of trips back and forth to the store. Labeling usually isn't this bling, but I was in a hurry and I found these Dollar General sticker letters. I thought they were really cute, and they are a little bit of sunshine in this chore of doing your laundry. I was able to move all the cleaning tools that she had hanging on the wall in the old house out to the garage where there was a tool hanging system. So we eliminated all of that congestion in this pass-through area. And I'm leaving plenty of space for her to use for cleaning, laundry, mopping, and an extra bin just for things that relate to the kids she may need to throw in the car or remember to take to school. The clean luxe classic look of these bins that I know are going to hold up over time and she can use in many rooms as she wants to are well worth the investment. You don't need a new house to get the feeling of an ultimate reset. Check out my 10-minute daily reset course. It's exactly how I keep these newly organized zones from falling apart when life gets busy. And no matter what happens today, my friend, do not forget that today is not the end of your story. So do not give up.